Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to log in into your FedEx account. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. For that, watch the video till the end. So now let's dive into the tutorials. First, open a search engine. I am using Google. You can use any search engine that you like. Search for fedex.com. Here you can see we are on FedEx homepage and you can see sign up button on the top right of the page. Tap on that. Then again tap on the sign up/login right here. Now we are directed to the login page of FedEx. Type in your username and password that you have created your account with. Make sure the password is correct. After that, tap on login button right below the password slot. So here you have it. You have successfully logged in into your FedEx account. Now you can easily sip and track your FedEx parcels. So this is it for the tutorials. I hope this was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.